Outgrow is an interactive content creation platform that can elevate your marketing strategy. But before you dive in, here are 7 things you need to know. Stay tuned because these insights will help you make an informed decision about whether it's the right tool for your business, especially if you've been considering competitors like Typeform, Interact, or SurveyMonkey. First off, let's talk about pricing. Outgrow offers flexible pricing plans, but it's important to know that the pricing is based on features, not just the number of users. Compared to other platforms like Typeform, Outgrow's pricing structure might feel a little steep, but it's important to consider the value you're getting for the cost. It's designed to create highly customizable, interactive content that can drive engagement, which could easily pay for itself if you leverage it right. Next, let's talk about customization. One of Outgrow's standout features is its customization options. Whether it's surveys, quizzes, or calculators, you can tailor these to your brand's look and feel. While competitors like SurveyMonkey offer templates, Outgrow takes it to another level with full branding control, allowing you to match the design with your site and make it feel truly part of your brand. This level of customization is perfect for marketers who want to make a lasting impression. The third thing to consider is integrations. Outgrow works well with major tools like HubSpot, Zapier, and MailChimp, which is a big win for businesses already using these platforms. Competitors like Interact have integrations, but Outgrow's are far more extensive, giving you a seamless experience for lead generation and nurturing. You can easily sync the data with your CRM or email service, saving you time and making your workflow much smoother. Next up, let's talk about the learning curve. One of the reasons people hesitate to use Outgrow is the complexity of the platform at first glance. But don't let that scare you off. While tools like Typeform are super easy to use for beginners, Outgrow is designed for marketers who want advanced features. It might take a little time to get used to, but once you've figured it out, it's an incredibly powerful tool that can help you create highly engaging content in no time. The fifth thing you should know is analytics. Outgrow's reporting is fantastic and goes beyond just basic statistics. You'll get detailed insights into how users are interacting with your content, where they're dropping off, and what's performing best. This is a huge advantage over platforms like SurveyMonkey, which might offer basic analytics but lack the depth that Outgrow provides for actionable insights. If you're a data-driven marketer, this will be a game changer for refining your content strategy. Next, let's dive into the support. Outgrow offers solid customer support, including live chat, email support, and an extensive knowledge base. When compared to its competitors, many users find that Outgrow's support team is more responsive and proactive. It's not uncommon for users to get quick answers, which can be a lifesaver if you're running a marketing campaign and need immediate help. The last thing to know is the trial. Outgrow offers a free trial, but it's a little more limited compared to some of the other tools out there. However, the value you get during that free trial is substantial. You can try out different features, test various types of interactive content, and really get a feel for the platform. And to make things even better, if you click the first link in the description, you can unlock exclusive benefits and get the best free trial available, so you can dive deeper into what Outgrow has to offer without any commitment. So if you're considering interactive content for your business, Outgrow is definitely a tool worth exploring. From its highly customizable features to its advanced analytics and integrations, it brings a lot to the table. Just make sure you're ready to fully leverage its capabilities. If you want to try out Outgrow for yourself, click the first link in the description below for the best free trial and some exclusive perks. Don't miss out on this opportunity to see how Outgrow can help your business grow.